Hi everyone, and welcome to this week's money tip. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Alissa Todd. I'm a financial advisor and I share weekly money tips ranging from budgeting, investing, traveling, as well as other lifestyle tips regarding money. And today I want to share with you 3 cashback apps that allow you to do your online shopping and any shopping that you do through your phone and earn cash back on those everyday purchases to put some extra money into your pocket, especially during this holiday season. So let's get right into it. My first app is called Top Cashback. And this also has a website, so you can use it for your online shopping as well. And you simply go through the website or go through the app, and you get credited a percentage on your purchase into your account. And it seems like this app generally has the highest cashback rates compared to the other apps out there. And you can cash out your account at any time, and they even have an option that allows you to redeem it for an additional 3% of your total cashback amount. My second app that I want to share with you is called Ebates, and it works very similar to Top Cashback. But the reason I wanted to include it is because Ebates offers holiday deals. So that means that sometimes they'll have specials where you can earn double or even triple their usual cashback rates that you would generally receive. So you can use these two apps in conjunction, maybe use Top Cashback throughout the year, and then Ebates, you'd activate that when it's the holidays or whenever they have those special deals, which just happens to be around the holiday time. And if you sign up for their newsletter, they let you know when they do have those special offers. Both Top Cashback and Ebates have websites, so you can add an extension, and that way when you're doing your online shopping, it'll let you know if you're on a website that qualifies for cashback and if they're offering any good deals on the website you're on. My third app is a little bit different. It's a receipt scanning app, and the one I wanted to share with you is called Ibotta. So what you do is you open up the app before you go into the store, and you look at the items that you're looking to purchase, or while you're browsing different items at the store, you can see on the app if they have various offers for you to redeem to earn cash back on that specific item. And in order to redeem those offers, you just do various different tasks through the app. And after you've done your shopping, you take a picture of your receipt and upload it through the app, and it will automatically credit your account with any cashback offers that you've redeemed. And you can cash out your account at any time for direct deposit or different gift cards. So those are my 3 cashback apps that you can use to help you save some additional money and have some extra change for you around this holiday time. I would love to hear if you've used any money saving apps. I'd love to try them out. Let me know what you think of those. And as always, if you have any topic suggestions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.